Sorry, we've been MIA. We've been dealing with the transitioning from 2018 December to January. So that means just like finding all of our tax paperwork, adding in our travels. Chris picked up a bunch of contracts. If you guys haven't been following his Instagram, go ahead and follow it. He's in negotiations. He still is in negotiations for future stuff. But right now he is, he just made a solid. So he's going to be doing Fight to Win, a jiu-jitsu tournament, if you guys haven't heard, on the island. So he'll be back on the island, guys. I don't know if you guys are on the islands and already are watching this, but that's what we're doing there. So he's got a contract in February, contact with a few other people. My biological mom moved, and then she lost her dogs. One came back, one didn't, not until way past midnight, way past bar hours. My dad and his previous girlfriend, they've been on and off for about 4 or 5 years. They are Splitsville. Liam is walking, running, climbing on couches, still crawling, but not permanently walking. We are gluten-free in this family. By the way, we ate wheat on the ride up to El Centro, and I was beyond sick. I started fevering. I started sweating. I just started not being able to frickin' walk. I was like, my knees were tucked into my stomach, not feeling good. My stomach expanded. It looked like I was maybe 4 or 5 months pregnant, in that in-between stage before you start showing that you have a formed baby in your belly. Chris, for your information, knows that there's wheat in Pringles. And there's also wheat in Nestle hot chocolate. So, you know, you gotta always read the labels. Anyway, we are going to, I'm gonna show you guys how to do a fishtail braid really fast. Take one big piece, 2 big pieces, and so you can, this is kind of okay with my jacket. So you take the whole piece, you take one finger and splitsville a section, and then you do the same thing here. You do splits, you pull it and do splitsville here. So this is the inside part, this is the bottom part. Sorry, that's just a tangled hair. But yeah, so then you just twist and oops. Okay, so wait. You just grab each side. So you just grab it and then okay, and then see how. And then this part that you still have underneath here, you just add to this side. Sorry, I was like looking at the video, but, alright, so then you just tighten, and then you do hair, hair again, and you do twist, hold, twist, hold. You grab like a thick piece or however thick you want it, you just separate it. You hold it and then you separate it and hold it. See how the thumbs are holding it? Twist, grab on the opposite end, and then you twist. See that hair? And then you just add it. And then you tighten. Hey, babes. And then you do the finger thing again. Do the finger thing again, however thick you want it. You twist, grab with the rest with these fingers, and then you take this outside, twist, and add. And then you can pull if you want. So then you take first finger, make an indent, twist, grab, twist, grab. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. So you just get first finger, twist, twist. Alright, hey guys, first things first for the marinades, wash your hands. That's what I'm doing. Split your chicken accordingly. So if you're doing chicken breast, do like a tablespoon of oil per chicken breast. I'm using organic Italian. If you want to be fancy, if you're single and doing this for a boyfriend or something, don't have a child, then you can go ahead and melt the coconut oil, mix it up, and then put it on your chicken. I don't have time for that. Do a couple shakes of pepper, about 2.5, 3 twists for each breast that I have. Extra lemon pepper, even though there's pepper on there. And then a little bit of salt, just because since Chris and I now, since Chris is gone and he works so much, he needs the salt to grab his body. Simply Organic Italian dry dressing here. And there you go. I'm doing very little of this because it is very strong. But I just wanted more of a freshness. That's one marinade. I'm going to mix that and then set that aside for tonight. And then for I always do that marinade with the mustard and Bragg's. I think it's in my previous videos, so I don't really want to be doing that again. Grab your garlic powder. This is the heart powder. And guys, I know the video is going to be coming up. Don't worry. I'm going to be doing a vitamin powder and a powder video. So, or I mean a vitamin video and a powder video. For all of you guys that are out there that are only want to watch us do the video because you only want the information. Sorry. It's taking us so long. Powder. Pick how much you want. Again, salt and pepper it. And because this is an overnight one, I'm going to be overnighting this and cooking this tonight. I'm just drenching it with pepper. And this time, I'm going to be using cilantro. And then Yeah, so I'm doing a sherry and basil vinaigrette on that one with a little bit of Italian dressing. Because I notice with my body, if I stay with the same kind of consistency throughout the entire week, my body's able to digest the same stuff. So